biryani. And if you have, it's a very simple dessert. If you just have all these ingredients, you can throw them on and grow back the biryani. So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your Bruna here. Today I am preparing to make bread halwa. It's an amazing recipe. Since we came from India and we had a lot of biryani in our whole life, they'll actually serve it right with it. It tastes amazing. And if you haven't already checked out my biryani recipe, go check that out right away before you see this one. And let's get right to it, guys. It's a very simple dessert. If you just have all these ingredients, you can throw them on and have it. Alright guys, now let's see what the ingredients are. 8 slices of bread, 2 glasses of milk, and cashew nuts, some raisins, and some sunflower seeds. Or you can also use some cucumber seeds with that, and you can just put how much ever quantity you have of how much bread you have. And then we have 1 cup of ghee, and we have 1 cup of sugar. Okay guys, now let's get to real cooking right now. So first turn on your stove and then pour both your glasses of milk and let it boil. 1 glass and another one. While the milk is boiling, it should boil about 5 to 8 minutes. I don't want to sit idle, so I'm going to get the other pan going. So you want to add a couple of, want to have ghee. I'm going to turn the pan on. Keep it right here. And we're going to add 2 spoons of ghee. And now let's wait for the ghee to get a little bit boiled. So guys, my milk is boiling and now I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. And let it sit. And while your kids are doing this, make sure you do have adult supervision. And now we are going to add all the nuts. And add all the nuts. All the nuts. And I'm going to let it sit until it turns golden brown. Guys, I found something really cool. As you can see, all the raisins are starting to grow back to grapes. That is really amazing. When you do this to the pan, they just start getting round, and that's really cool. Guys, the nuts have turned golden brown. Now I'm going to place them in a bowl. Guys, now I'm going to reuse the pan that I used to turn my nuts into golden brown, and I'm going to place 4 slices on the pan. Guys, this is my favorite part. I'm going to flip it over and see if the rest turn golden brown. Wow, guys, it turned awesome. Tip the other one. It turned really good, guys. I'm so happy. This is amazing. Guys, it smelled so delicious. And now I'm done roasting my bread. And now we're going to put some ghee on the pan. And we're going to put 1 whole scoop. Not 2 this time, just 1. 1. And then we're going to keep the ghee right here, and now we're going to add the cardamom. Alright, the cardamom is roasted. Now we're going to dump them in the milk. The cardamom is boiling in the milk. Now we're going to take our bread and rip it in pieces and put it in the milk. Just do it you can just dump the whole thing inside, but I prefer doing it in tiny pieces. Make sure the bread is soaked under the milk, and you should get that really good flavor. It smells so amazing. It smells heavenly, so good. And mix until it gets a little bit thick. And you should get that little soft feeling when you do it. And wait until all of them get to little pieces. If you see any big pieces, make sure you kind of squish them so it'll get cooked very fast. And make sure they do not get burnt, so put them in medium flame. Alright guys, at this point of time, you're supposed to see no milk because the bread already absorbed so quickly. So you're supposed to see absolutely no milk, and this smells super good, guys. And now after that, we are gonna add 1 full spoon of ghee. And then we will do this. And then we'll take all the nuts and just dump it in. And we stir. And after you stir, make sure leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then leave it on low flame. It smells so good, and as you can see, it's roasted really good. It's boiling. It smells super good. I don't know how to say this. After it cools down for a little bit, it'll be awesome. I'm just gonna take a tiny spoon. The right way to eat it, guys, the right way to eat it is if you have some spicy mutton biryani, and if you have that on the side of your plate, and you just take a right spoon, it just is so good. I don't know how to explain it. You guys have to try this. So guys, it is super done. I can't wait to taste it, and I'm just gonna take a tiny spoon right now. And here we go, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, you will not believe this. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I'm so excited and excited, but it's very, very hot. So guys, everything is ready, and this is how we start off our Friday night, and everything's ready. It smells so good. I'm so excited to taste it, and now just telling us what I have. So this is raita with onions. And we have some eggs. We have some eggplant curry that also came with the eggs. Guys, the climax is right here, and we made the bread pudding. It came awesome, and let's put it on our banana leaf. It's awesome, guys. Wow, that is super good. And now here comes the biryani. Wow, that looks awesome. That is so good, guys. We eat on a traditional way up on our banana leaf. It was like super huge at first, so we just cut it so it become like a thin slice. And why we use a banana leaf? Because it's a traditional way of how, because we came from India. It's the south side of India, and it smells really awesome, guys. I'm gonna have some of this. So hot. It's awesome. It's really awesome, but just because everything's hot, I'm just taking it a little. Awesome, guys. The biryani is super good. Now I'm going to taste some of the biryani. Awesome combination. You guys definitely are trying this recipe. I don't. So if you want me to do any more recipes like this, please comment it on my Insta. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. Smash that like button, smash that subscription button so you don't miss out on any video like these. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later, and bye.